Hello there, my friends. Chris Marcus here with you for Arcadia Economics. And today, a quick video about the COMEX and the LBMA, as Ronan Manly of Bullion Star in Singapore has been kind enough to write an article about. And on a quick side note, he is coming on the show on Thursday for the first time. So look forward to catching up with him then. But the article today, COMEX can't find a 400-ounce bar for its new 400-ounce gold futures. For those who are just hearing about this, last week was a bit of a circus between the LBMA and the COMEX. We had an announcement from the LBMA. London gold market continues to be open for business. There has, however, been some impact on liquidity arising from price volatility in COMEX 100-ounce futures. So the LBMA appearing to try to save the day here. Although, let's see, if we go down here, what this meant, the LBMA and executives at major gold trading banks asked the CME to allow 400-ounce bars to be used to settle COMEX contracts. Alrighty, so that sounds simple enough. Although then we get to the interesting part here. Let's scroll down. COMEX, we have a problem because apparently there are no 400-ounce gold bars listed on the entire report. With the new gold enhanced delivery futures contract ready to start trading, COMEX daily gold vault inventory report has been published showing a new set of line items for 400-ounce gold bars, but there are no gold bars listed on the entire report. Not one. And as Ronan points out, this means there are 0 ounces of gold in the COMEX vaults in the form of 400-ounce gold bars, which makes that seem like a little bit of a bizarre strategy in the first place. What is really going on? Hopefully Ronan can break it down a little bit more. He's been doing some great reporting. And again, we will have him on in a couple of days. But his conclusion, so what does this all mean? Is there not even one vaulted 400-ounce gold bar in all of New York? Why is the COMEX rushing in new contract deliverable 400-ounce gold bars when it has none in its approved vaults? Is this just smoke and mirrors? And I love the conclusion here. Finally, are JP Morgan vault staff currently scrambling to rush 400-ounce gold bars across the tunnel between the New York Fed Gold Vault and Chase Manhattan Gold Vault under Liberty Street in southern Manhattan? Inquiring minds would like to know. I would sure love to know, and maybe that'll be a quest for this year to find out some of these things. I can't even imagine what's happening behind the scenes right now. Obviously, we get some snippets of when they make an announcement, but it does sure sound like it is quite a scramble behind the scenes. And again, we'll look forward to hearing what Ronan has to say. I've been reading his work for years. Excited to talk with him. Quick look at the gold price. As you can see today, down $17. Took another big dip and then rebounded, but still down a little bit, sitting at 1606. In the silver market, we are again just fluttering right around the $14 mark. Let's call it 14.20-ish here, up 12 cents on the day. And a quick look at the beloved silver miners. First Majestic up a nickel on the day. Fortuna over there up 6.4%. Bit mixed, but bullion price is flat, so not entirely surprising. And the final note of today's video, I just couldn't pass this one up. 5 non-gold treasures stored at Fort Knox. I was watching some video last week and came across this one. Just when you think you couldn't be surprised again by our government, apparently on the list of things stored at Fort Knox are tons of morphine and opium. And these were not recovered during the war on drugs, but instead stored back in 1955 in preparation of the Cold War. Selling all the remaining morphine could have depressed prices on the domestic market. So the U.S. spent millions refining the old opium into morphine sulfate in 1993. I can only imagine what is the real story behind that one. Again, Fort Knox, maybe there's a topic to write a book about one day, and some of the things that do or do not happen there. But this one seems to be public record. So instead of the gold, they are storing morphine and opium. And what will we think of next? But that is American Wall Street capitalism at its finest. Although, if you think that's a little silly, and if you think a lot of these things are a little silly and would like to get to the heart of what's really going on behind the scenes of all of this, well, the video is coming your way now.